Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Alex.
And I'm Lucy. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today we have a great topic for you.
Yes, a very important topic.
Today we will talk about how to train your brain to think in English.
Ooh, that sounds exciting.
It is, and it will help you speak English faster.
Much faster. So if you are learning English, this video is for you.
Yes, and if this is your first time here, welcome. We make easy English videos for you every week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything.
Yes, subscribe now. It's free, and it really helps us. Thank you. Okay, let's start.
Let's go. So Lucy, many English learners have the same problem. Do you know what it is?
They translate in their head?
Yes, that is the problem. They want to say something in English, but first they think in their own language, then they translate to English.
Oh, so they think in Spanish first, or Arabic, or Korean?
Yes, they think in their language first, then they change it to English, and that is very slow.
Very slow and hard.
Very hard, because in a real conversation, you don't have time to translate.
Right. The other person is talking and you are in your head trying to translate. That is stressful.
So stressful. So today, we will help you stop translating. We will help you think directly in English.
Directly in English. I love that. So how do we do it?
Let's start with tip number 1. This one is very easy.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tip number 1. Think about simple things in English.
Simple things? Like what?
Like things you do every day. For example, when you wake up, think in English.
Oh, so I think, it's morning. I need to get up.
Yes, just like that. It's morning. I need to get up. I will brush my teeth. I will take a shower.
Those are very easy sentences.
Yes, that is the point. Start with easy sentences. Don't try to think hard things. Start small.
Start small. I like that.
When you eat breakfast, think, I'm eating breakfast. This coffee is hot. This bread is good.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. But you see, very easy sentences. And if you do this every day, your brain starts to think in English.
Every day. That is important. Do it every day.
Yes, not just one time, every day. When you wake up, when you eat, when you walk, think in English.
Okay, I love this tip. What about tip number 2?
Tip number 2. Name things around you in English.
Name things around me.
Yes, look around you. What do you see?
I see a table, a chair, a phone, a cup.
Good. Now, many learners see a cup and they think the word in their own language first. Then they say cup.
Oh, so I should just look at it and think cup. No translation.
Yes. See the thing, say the English word. Cup, table, chair, door, window.
Alex, that is like a game.
Yes, Lucy, it is a game. And you can play it anywhere. At home, at the store, on the bus.
On the bus, I can look around and think window, seat, door. That man is reading a book.
Yes, and every time you do this, you are training your brain.
Training my brain, little by little.
Little by little. Let's say that slowly. Little by little.
Little by little. I want everyone to remember that.
Good. Okay, tip number 3.
Yes, tell us.
Tip number 3. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
Maybe, but it works. It really works.
Okay, but what do I say?
Say easy things. For example, you're looking for your keys. You say, where are my keys? Oh, they are on the table.
I lose my keys every day, so that is perfect for me.
Perfect practice. And you can talk about anything. I'm walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice. Oh, the bus is coming.
So I am like the narrator of my life.
Yes, like a movie. You are the star, and you are telling the story.
I'm the star of my own English movie.
Yes, you are. And you don't need to speak loud. You can whisper. You can just move your lips.
Oh, good. So I can do it on the bus or at work quietly.
Quietly. Nobody will know. It's your secret practice.
Secret practice. I like that. And don't worry about mistakes, right?
Right. Nobody is listening. Nobody is judging you. Just practice.
Just practice. Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are more than okay. Mistakes help you learn. Let's say that. Mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes help you learn. Beautiful. Okay, what's next?
Tip number 5.
Tip number 5. We're doing great.
Tip number 5. Use pictures in your mind, not translations.
Pictures? What do you mean?
Okay, when you learn the word dog, don't think of the word in your language. Think of a picture. See a dog in your mind.
Oh, so when I hear dog, I see a dog, not a word.
Yes, a cute dog, a happy dog. See the picture, not the translation.
That is how native speakers think.
Exactly. We see pictures, we feel feelings. We don't translate.
Can you give me one more example?
Sure, the word cold. Don't translate it. Instead, imagine you are outside. There is snow. You are shaking. Your hands are freezing.
Brr, I can feel it.
See? Now you will never forget cold.
Never. That is a great way to learn new words.
Connect words to pictures, not to translations.
I love this. Okay, what is tip number 6?
Tip number 6. Read easy English every day.
Read, but this video is about thinking and speaking.
Good question, but reading helps your brain too. When you read English, your brain learns how English works.
You mean English have a pattern?
Yes, you learn English patterns, and when you know the patterns, you can think in English easier.
That makes sense. But what should I read? Some books are so hard.
Read easy things. Children's books are great.
Children's books? Like for kids?
Yes, I'm serious. Children's books have simple words, short sentences, easy grammar. They're perfect.
You know what? That is true. No shame in that.
No shame at all. You can also read simple news, simple blogs, or social media posts in English.
Oh, I can change my phone to English.
Yes, that is a great idea. If your phone is in English, you see English every day.
Every day, and it becomes normal.
Normal, just normal.
I like that. Okay, next tip.
Tip number 7. Describe your day in English before you sleep.
Before I sleep.
Yes, you are in bed and you think about your day in English.
Like, today was a good day. I woke up at 7, I had coffee, I went to work, I came home, now I'm sleeping.
Yes, just like that. Simple sentences about your day.
That is so easy. I can do it in bed.
The best kind of practice.
Really? Just 10 minutes?
Lazy practice. I love it. And you can also think about tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will wake up early, I will study English, I will go to the park.
Oh, so I practice past tense and future tense.
Yes, without a textbook, without a classroom, just you and your brain.
Just me and my brain, in bed. Amazing.
Okay, last tip. Tip number 8.
The last one. Tell us.
Tip number 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Oh, this is a big one.
Very big. Many learners don't speak because they're afraid of mistakes.
They think people will laugh.
Yes, and that fear stops them. They don't practice, and if they don't practice, they don't get better.
That is so sad, because everyone makes mistakes.
Everyone, even native speakers. I make mistakes sometimes.
It's true, I've heard you.
Hey, don't tell them.
Too late. But it's true, everyone. Nobody is perfect. So please don't be afraid.
Just try. Just speak. Just practice. That is enough.
That is enough. Okay, let's review all the tips. Nice and slow.
Good idea. Let's go.
Tip number 1.
Think about simple daily things in English.
Tip number 2.
Name things around you in English.
Tip number 3.
Talk to yourself in English.
Tip number 4.
Listen to English every day, even 10 minutes.
Tip number 5.
Use pictures in your mind, not translations.
Tip number 6.
Read easy English every day.
Tip number 7.
Describe your day in English before you sleep.
And tip number 8.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
8 great tips.
8 tips that can change your English.
So everyone, here is a small challenge for you.
Yes, pick just one tip, not all 8, just one.
Pick the easiest one for you.
And do it today, not tomorrow, not next week, today.
And then do it again tomorrow.
And the next day, and the next day.
Little by little, your brain will change.
Little by little, you will start thinking in English.
And one day, you will think in English without even trying.
And you will smile.
That is a beautiful moment.
It really is. And remember, you are not alone. Millions of people are learning English, just like you.
Just like you, we are all together.
And we are here to help you. Every video is for you.
So keep listening, keep practicing, keep going.
Keep going.
You can do this. We believe in you.
We really do. Okay, everyone, that is all for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
You are amazing. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep thinking in English.
Yes, start right now. Keep thinking in English. Bye, everyone.
Bye.